I'm Scientific Sue and I'm about to share with you one of my experiments that I have developed for my Disgusting Digestion show. Now, as you know, pigs eat nearly anything that we put in front of them. What you might not know are pigs are scared of thunder. And thunder is caused by lightning. I've got a little device here, it's a little clicker. When I press this button, we're going to end up with a small spark of electricity just there. 3, 2, 1. That is going to be the lightning. We're going to put our Peppa outside in a thunderstorm. She's going to hear the thunder. She's going to get scared. All of her muscles are tightened and she's going to release the gas from her bottom. Uh-oh. I know, this is a disgusting experiment. But what I want to know, can we use the flammable gas that comes from her bottom, the heat from the lightning strike, to send her into space? I'm just going to connect this up. It might be a little bit dangerous, so I'm going to put on my safety glasses. Now, what I want you to do is watch Peppa. We're going to do a countdown from 5. At 1, I want you all to clap your hands so it's like a clap of thunder. She's going to hear that loud noise, get scared, release the gas. I'm going to press the button, release the lightning, and then we can all squeal, "Pigs in space!" Let's go! Very atomic, this experiment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pigs in space! Oh my goodness! She's lost her head for science. Let me just collect it. It's a good job I know Super Vet. Super Vet is going to fix her up and she's going to be fine by dinner tonight. I hope you enjoyed that demo.